I hope every one of you is fine and safe at your home. Stay home and enjoy my videos, because I am having lots of ideas. So in my last video I shared a best cleanser, so it cleans your face, it detox your face, it wipe out all the dirt. So in today's video I'm going to share a toner, and for today's toner I have this Rose Max Flower Fairy toner. Okay, this is a gel toner. Its consistency is like a gel. It's thick, it's not runny, it's not water. So what it does, you after using any cleanser, what you need to do, you have to apply a toner. Toner kya karta hai? It removes dirt and impurities from your skin and leaves the skin soothing and softening. It also helps your skin hydrates and shrinken and tighten up your pores. There are so many toners available in the market. There are some high-end brands, some local brands, some Korean brands, and I have shared you some good toners pictures. So local market में भी आपको अच्छे टोनर्स मिल जाएंगे. बस मसला ये है कि जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना मीठा हो जाएगा. जो हाई एंड ब्रांड्स हैं उनका इफेक्ट हाई होगा, और जो लोकल ब्रांड्स हैं उनका इफेक्ट आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि लो होगा. दे आर ऑल्सो रियली गुड, बट you have to use a toner in your facial routine, and you can definitely find a good toner that you can afford and fit in your budget. Your skin and आपके ऊपर की स्किन को टेंडर करता है, और it declog, आपके जितने क्लॉग हुए पोर्स होते हैं उनको declog करता है, स्किन को एक्स्ट्रा साफ करता है, and let the next procedure do its job. So after cleanser, toner is a must. I do have another toner that is Pond's. It also works equally fine, but I like using this one because it's a gel form. Next I have this Olay Effect 7 Total Toner. It also works very good. So it's a bit watery. What you do, you apply on your face and you tap your skin, and उस सोई हुई स्किन को आपने जगाना है, उसको कहना है get out. Get out. भी आपने wipe out जरूर करना है. So I'm again taking any pad, or you can use a tissue paper and wipe it off. So you have to use toners because they are very essential. So this is my third step because it's also very important. So hope to see you in my next video.